Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Fanshunlite Lighted Maple Tree, and why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because LED Maple Tree, decorative tree features warm white lights that give off a stunning and soft glow and bring a warm atmosphere to your home. LEDs are powered by a plug-in electrical source, making it easy to control and allows the artificial tree's lighting settings. Durable and bendable, fall maple tree is made of silk leaves, PVC and electronic component materials, durable and reusable. The hinge design of the square base combined with the metal trunk provides stability to the maple tree. Trunks are wrapped in electrical tapes. The branches can be adjusted to your favorite shape to fit any space. Realistic tree decor, the tree's design mimics that of a real maple tree, with realistic-looking branches that curve and twist and artificial foliage that looks and feels like real leaves. The tree's design looks natural and elegant, making it an attractive piece during the day or night. Indoor-outdoor use, the LED maple tree can be an excellent addition as a holiday decor, be it Christmas, Thanksgiving, or Harvest Festival. The tree can be a perfect decoration to any space, whether it's a house, office, dining room, garden, corridors, patio, balcony, porch, or any other area. 5 feet or 6 feet height, the tree light is available in 2 sizes, 5 feet and 6 feet. The 5 feet decorative tree has 105 LEDs and 8 acorns, and the 6 feet maple leaves tree has 96 LEDs and 6 red fruits. You can choose the size that fits home space and give it as a gift to your parents, friends, family, and loved ones. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.